Hello friends, and welcome to this video. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix the critical error in WordPress. The critical error in WordPress is an error that stops WordPress from loading all the script it needs to work correctly. And in most cases, it is caused by malfunctioning plugin or code on your website. Here I have an example of a website with such error. So, in order to fix this, I'm going to log into my cPanel or control panel of my hosting account and then navigate to File Manager of my WordPress website. Then I'm going to find the error_log file. Since WordPress is a PHP based application, the error_log file helps us troubleshoot runtime errors by showing you exactly what happened wrong. So now I'm going to select it and click on Edit to view the content of the file. Then I'm going to scroll down to the last error messages, as at when I reloaded my website. And here I can see that the plugin named WP Job Manager appears to be the problem. So let's return to the root directory of our website. Then let's go into the WP content, then plugins, and within the plugins folder, I will search for the WP Job Manager to deactivate it. And this is done by simply renaming it to something different. Now let's refresh our website. And here we go. We have successfully fixed the error. Thanks for tuning in to this tutorial, and I hope you found it useful. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips and tricks, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated. Your support means a lot, and we'll see you in the next video.